Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Mascouche, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Mascouche moving company, 3 Movers is ready to help you. Our local and long-distance moving services will save you time and energy. We know how to get you relocated without all the stress. When you hire us, you can move your home, apartment, condo, villa, business, furniture, or anything else. You get plenty of options with our long-distance moving services, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There is no reason to take on the relocation stress by yourself. Let us lift some of that stress off your shoulders by doing the hard work for you. Our long-distance movers will not only save you time, but also keep your workload manageable. A Canada moving company will give you the help you need for your local move. The right team will take all the hard work off your plate. This can make your move so much easier. Even if you're just going one street over, hiring 3 movers gives you the right team for the job. We can help you save a ton of time and energy with the streamlined process. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can do in just a matter of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mascouche moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.